Did you know that the future of the internet is here? It's called Web 3, and in this video, we'll demystify what it's all about. So, let's dive in. Web 3 is the next iteration of the internet, built on blockchain technology. Unlike Web 2, which relies on central authorities and intermediaries, Web 3 is decentralized and empowers individuals like you. With Web 3, you control your data and digital identity. No more centralized platforms making money off your personal information. Web 3 gives you the freedom to choose who accesses and uses your data. Another key feature of Web 3 is smart contracts. These are self-executing contracts with the terms of the agreement directly written into lines of code. This means that transactions can be done automatically, without the need for intermediaries. Web 3 also introduces decentralized applications, or dApps. These are apps that run on a peer-to-peer network, eliminating the need for middlemen. From finance to gaming, dApps are revolutionizing various industries. But how does Web 3 work? It's powered by blockchain technology, a transparent and secure digital ledger. Transactions are recorded on a decentralized network, making it nearly impossible to alter or manipulate data. Web 3 also embraces cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. These digital currencies facilitate secure, instant, and low-cost transactions without the need for banks or traditional financial institutions. So, what does this mean for the future? With Web 3, we can reimagine the internet as a more democratic and inclusive space. Power will shift from a few centralized entities to the hands of individuals like you. Thanks for watching this beginner's guide to the future of the internet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on Web 3 and other emerging technologies.